Now, the British Prime Minister David Cameron has been saying that the crisis in the Eurozone is having a chilling effect on the UK's economy as well, with its growth forecasts revised downwards this week. The coalition is now limiting the money available for public projects. But one scheme that doesn't involve any spending at all is getting job seekers to work 30 hours a week for free, just to keep their unemployment benefits. Some see it as a chance to keep up their skills, but others say it's free labour.
Lionel Rees is a job seeker who actually has a job. On a regular basis, he cleans up gardens and parks with local organizations for free. He can turn down the offer, but he would then lose his benefits.
It's a ridiculous idea, to force people into work. Government should be there to manage the economy, and employment obviously is a part of each individual household economy.
Local authorities also employ job seekers without spending a dime. These people are cleaning up a public swimming pool. They work for free, 30 hours a week for 6 months. But some of them see this as an opportunity.
It gets you out of a rut and you get used to waking up and having somewhere to go to.
It gets me outside. If I was sitting inside, I'd just be sitting by.
Mandatory work placement was introduced in Great Britain last spring. It becomes mandatory only after several failed attempts to find a job. According to Prime Minister David Cameron, this is all about getting people back on track.
That will help many people get back in touch with the world of work, the idea of having a job, the skills that you need, that will give them further help.
It is too early to say whether this program is a success, but it does have side effects. Some large supermarket chains, such as Sainsbury's, employ job seekers for free, although they make profits and could afford to hire them.